Okay, so in this video we are going to join two lists. So first is I have created two lists, list 1 and list 2. List 1 is containing all the string values and list 2 is containing the integer values. So by joining means I am going to take all the values from the list 1 and take all the values from the list 2 and get them into the another list, say list 3. So by just using the addition operator, you can say the plus sign, you just can append them. Okay, this way you are just creating a new list and passing all the values from the list 1 and list 2 into the list 3. Okay, so let's see what's inside the list 3 now. Okay, so run this. So list 3, as I'm printing the list 3, so list 3 is containing all the values from the list 1 and list 2. Okay, so this way I'm just adding the values. You can say get the values from the one and get the values from the second and saving the values into the third one. But let's say I just want to append, or you can say the join these values into the first one. So let's use for command here. For x is a new variable and this variable will be saving the values from the list 1. Okay, so I'm getting one by one values from the list 1 stored in this new variable, and inside this what I'm going to do is I will append the values into the list 2, right? So you can change these values, you can just append the values into the list 1. So all the values will stay the same in the list 1, but list 2 will be appended here, right? Okay, so I'm going to print the list 1 here, right? Okay, so let's run this. X in the list invalid syntax. Okay, so I just forgot to put the colon sign. Okay, so here list 1 values are same, but the values from the list 2 are added here. This is how we join the two lists. And third way is by using the extend. See, there are two ways, extend and append. Append is going to take one value at a time, right? That's why we are using the for loop, right? For loop is taking one value at a time and then just add it to the list 1. But another way is, if you don't want to use the for loop or some extra statements, what you can do is you can simply extend the list 2. Okay, because extend is going to take all the values at a you can say in a single go, right? Okay, so I'm going to print the list 1 here. So again the list 1 is appended, or you can say joined with the list 2, right? This way is better than the append, but in case if you just want to add only few values, for example first 3 values or 4 values, in that case you can use the indexing, right? You can try all these values. Okay,